Hey, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader here in LA, loving life, traveling all over the world. In case you wondered, I'm all over the place. And the way that I'm able to do this is thanks to Stocks to Trade. This software I use every single day. It helps me find the hottest stocks. It has so many different tools and scans. We built in over 40 scans so that you can find the absolute best stocks. Because the problem is there are thousands of stocks and you don't know which ones are good or bad to trade. In fact, most of them are bad. So we have these scans, we have these tools that we have refined over the years, and we have Oracle, which is artificial intelligence. It's only getting smarter and smarter, there to help you. And artificial intelligence will likely kill off humans in the future, but right now we can utilize it to enrich us. So we can enjoy it for the time being before it mass murders all of us. It's very cool. I have to joke about it, but I'm actually kind of serious too. Check out Stocks to Trade. Please, please, please use this tool. There's so many different websites out there that frankly just are not designed for low price stocks. And that's a problem. You know, you miss out on one or two great plays because the scanners aren't designed for this. And some people are like, Tim, why did I not see this stock? Because you're not using the right resources. We've developed this tool specifically for you. It's in my own best interest to create the most successful students. So I'm trying to teach you through video lessons and webinars and DVDs and commentary and watch lists and tweets and blog posts and software. And this is my official software that I have chosen for you. I have helped design it because it basically entails and encompasses everything that I have ever learned in the stock market. It's only getting better every single day. Tim Bowen, who's one of my students, who's a part-time trader, uses it, and now he helps teach how to optimize it. So I encourage you to check out Tim Bowen. But I don't know. I don't know what I can say because this software is something that you should use every single day. This is software that can help you become a better trader. It can help you, more importantly than becoming a better trader, can save you time. You know, I used to use like 20 different websites. Now I just use this software because it combines so many different data sources and we put it all in one. If you've ever seen the movie Lord of the Rings, you know, there's one ring that rules everything. This is that ring, and it's a software and it's for you. It works anywhere. Please, please, please check out Stocks to Trade. I don't know how to get through to you except just to beg. I will get down on my knees. Can you lower this? Hold on. Oh. Can you see me? Oh, yeah. I am begging to you. Please, 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 please use Stocks to Trade. It will make your life easier and it'll make my life easier teaching you. I have not gotten down on my knees begging for a very long time, okay? So I am begging you to use Stocks to Trade. Test it out. See how it is. And understand there's more and more features coming out. You know, we have paper trading already. We have broker integration coming. There's so much more stuff. I don't want to tease too much, but it's better that you get used to it now before all the new tools get added so that you can be ready for those new tools. I use this every single day. My top students use this every day. Stephen Dux, who's one of my newest millionaire students, can't stop talking about it. You know, and now he's made over $2 million. He was actually my fastest millionaire, and he used Stocks to Trade from the beginning. So that's it. I can't help you if you don't follow instructions. These are your instructions for today. I'm going to post a link just below this video. Check out stockstotrade.com. You're welcome in advance. Hey, Tim Sykes, millionaire mentor and trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there, and also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.